So we're going to go ahead and get started as people still continue to trickle in. I'd like to be the first one to welcome you guys to our second annual Invasive Annual Grasses Workshop. And today our theme is sharpening our tools to defend and grow the core against invasive annual grasses. My name is Claire Visconti. I am the Outreach Program Coordinator for our Tech Transfer Partnership, and we're really excited to have you here today. What is the Tech Transfer Partnership, and why are we doing this? So invasive annual grasses are a major problem throughout the Western U.S. We found that there was a major need for an alignment between landscape scale planning and on-the-ground management. So how did we go about this? We had decided that we were going to create solutions for land managers by helping them to confidently and implement strategic management for managing annual grasses. And ways that we go about doing this is by having workshops like this today, as well as creating different educational materials by taking that scientific research and then putting it into usable formats. And so we hope that it helps to more streamline the information and make it usable so you can find the answers you're looking for and not losing a lot of time with that. And so next I want to talk a little bit about our different workshops that we kind of like our different levels that we have. And then later on today, I'll go into more details about opportunities that we will be having coming up. And so we're going to start down at the bottom at our level 1, which is our virtual workshops. And our goal with that is to provide foundational knowledge and continue to share lessons learned. This is our second annual virtual workshop. So if you didn't have the opportunity to watch our one from last year, we highly recommend you do it. There is a link on our website to those different videos, and it still will be beneficial even after today, because it can help to fill in some of those educational gaps that you might still have questions on. And then our next level is our level 2 field workshops, which provide more information, but it really allows you to get out into the field and see different types of different types of principles and stuff, and putting that really more into practice. And then lastly, we have our level 3s, which is our local working groups. And our goal with that is to really help facilitate a dialogue between those local working groups. And so with that being said, we really want to thank our core team, our partners, because without them, this would not be possible. We are lucky enough to have both federal agencies as well as non-federal agencies. We also have faculty members from other universities as well as the University of Wyoming. So a little rundown of the day. I'm going to be putting into the chat the packet handout that I did also email out. I know that we did have people who registered for the event yesterday. So if you want to download this, as we'll be going throughout the day, we'll be mentioning we'll be going through the packet sequentially. So please keep up with it if you'd like. And we really hope that it can just be another source of materials for you to have on hand when trying to create your management plans and stuff along those lines. And so a little bit of a rundown of the day. We're currently in the introduction section, and then we'll be going and moving on to our principles. And we'll be going to our question and answer section, and we'll be having different panelists answering those questions. The big part of the day is our scenario, which will really go through step by step of how should you be thinking about prioritizing your land. And then lastly, we'll have our management section where we'll go through different management tactics that will also address some of those questions, some more of those questions that you guys submitted during registration. And then lastly, we'll end our day with what are some of the upcoming events with Imagine. Some of the goals that we're really hoping for you guys to take away today, first, to be building skills to develop a landscape scale context for management. And then those skills will continue to build off of each other. And we really hope that then you'll be able to increase the understanding of the tools that are available to you. And lastly, we really hope you guys will feel empowered to manage invasive annual grasses. We know it's a